Today we're going to try to make a study of the lovely Audrey Hepburn, and in this drawing segment I'm going to demonstrate to you how I go about simplifying a portrait, starting off with the most basic simple geometric shapes that I can find. I'm not trying to make it completely flat. I will also show you how I create a three-dimensional study of the face, but it's made up of a very geometric grid, which looks a little bit robotic, but as the drawing progresses, you'll see how it becomes softer and ends up in the drawing that we see here. So in the first part of the drawing, I simplify the whole head into a basic shape, which you can see here, and then I start blocking in the features of the face and the nose and the mouth. You can see that I'm trying to build it up into a basic three-dimensional grid, and this is what I meant. It has a kind of a robotic feel about it. The important thing I'm looking at here is using very simple shapes and trying to get my proportions correct. So here's the first part. This is section 1, in which you have a very grid-like understanding of the figure, and on top of this now, this is really our foundation on which we're going to do the rest of the drawing. In the second section, I want to put some tone on the page, so just cover it with a light tone, and then I take the line drawing that we've got already and I start to work with that, adding large shaped areas of tone within that. As you can see, I'm building up here. We give the whole drawing a kind of a tonal element following the lines that we've already got. You can see that up till this stage it's very flat and very more like an underdrawing. It's actually my framework. Once I've got all of that established, it's at this point now where you really are free to fill it in and to detail it as much as you want in the way that you want. So basically I'm just going over what I've already got now and looking very hard at a reference photograph that I have there, trying to fill in the details. I can now work from area to area, emphasizing this, getting rid of something that's not quite accurate, darkening certain shapes, lightening other shapes, until eventually I come up with the final product. Where at this point here, once you get to this stage, you're just tweaking, and you get it to the point that you're happy, and then your drawing is done.